Hello, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Oyinkasola. Yes, it's Oyinkasola, but I go by Atarodo by Oyin. This year is all about spice. I want to spice up you. I want to spice you up. I want to spice up your look. I want to spice up your daily lives. If you want to see how I achieve this spicy look, like using the most minimal product, also using the easiest steps, also something that is very beginner friendly. Yes, also one other thing that I would like to say is that everything that I use, like all the product that I use on my face, are all under $20, including the brushes. I mean, all of it, they're all under $20, But before we dive right into the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want me to do a story time on why I have been away or what has been going on, just put like comments below and I will try to do a story time. If you have any look suggestion that you want me to do, put it down below. I would try to get through to it. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So once again, I want to say a happy new year, and we're just gonna dive right into the makeup. Skin prep is actually very important, and I have prepped my skin. I've washed my face. You want to do something on your face that looks like you put in that effort without having to put in so much effort. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking the Glow Recipe. I am going to let it sit in, and when I come back, my brows will be done. I'm going to do my brows off camera, and when I get back, we're just going to get into the look. So I have done my brows, and the next thing that I will be doing is I'll go ahead to conceal my under eye. There is a reason why I want to conceal my under eye, but because I'm attempting to, we're trying to use everything that you can find in a drugstore, you can buy from Amazon that is very affordable. Most of the products that I'll be using today, they're going to be under $20. Literally, I think everything is going to be under $20. So let's get into it. What I'll be doing is I'll be concealing my under eye. I would not be using a lot. I would be working in sections because it's better that way. One thing that I'm doing is I'm not swiping the brush, I am tapping it into my skin. So I'll just take whatever is left of my brush and just brush it all over my lid. You can see I tapped it in. I did not. This is what this looks like. You will see that there are some harsh lines. I'm just going to use the same brush and just diffuse it into my skin just to blend out the harsh lines. I'm not dragging it. I'm just tapping it in. You want to make sure that you tap it in. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take like an empty brush that doesn't have any product there, and I'm just going to use it to tap it properly into my skin. There's nothing on the brush. There's literally nothing on the brush. So the next thing I'll be doing is I'll be using my ColourPop. ColourPop is like $6. The Banana No Filter Setting Powder. I have this powder puff I got from Amazon. I think you can get like 6 for like $6 or $5. This is it. So I'm just gonna take it and dust it at the back of my hand. But one thing I want to do is before we set, I like to take my brush and just go underneath my eye again, because I kind of have like an hooded eye. I like to set my crease too. I have this at the back of my hand, and I'm just gonna do this, and because I don't like to bake, I am just setting right away and press it in. I'm not dragging, I am patting in as I go. So that's all I use. See it? At the back of my hand. We're not using any foundation on my face. We're not using, the only place we want to conceal is the under eye so that it looks like you really did something. I'll be taking this. I'm just gonna tap it on this side. I've done it before. I just tap it on this side and I take it and I bronze my face. So this is what I'm doing, using this side of my brush and I'm just pressing it upwards. Can you see the dimension? We're not done with this yet. What I would do is I'll take my foundation brush, I'll take the L'Oreal Infallible in hazelnut, and what I would do is just take a kind of like a dense, you can use like a looser one, but because I'm not using foundation and I would like to press it in properly, I'm using the buffing brush by Real Technique, and I'm just gonna tap. I'm not swirling it, I'm just tapping it into my brush so I can pack it in properly. And the places that I did not set or put product between my bronzer and I'm just gonna use the brush to pat it in. Remember I said we're not done. So I'm gonna take the same bronzer brush, and I'm just gonna go over it again just to like create a demarcation, just like a final soft touch to it. Using the same bronzer, I'm just gonna take a little bit brush, it's like a dense slant brush, and I'm just gonna like use it to contour my nose if you want to contour. If you don't have to, but I'm just gonna do that just to contour my nose like smudging snake. I'm just gonna take the same powder coat, there's not really anything on it, and I'm just gonna like set the side of my nose, you know, just to align my bronzer, the one I have at the side of my nose, to make it look like I contoured it. I'll take this contour brush, this contour palette, I don't know why I keep saying contour brush. This contour palette is by True Complexion. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a crease brush, a regular crease brush, and I'm just gonna tap on this dark one, the contour, the one that says contour, and I'm just gonna press it into my crease. I'm using it on just one side. Like I'm just trying to tap it in. So using the same brush, after I blended it out, using the same brush that I used, I'm gonna take the other side, this side, and I'm gonna take the sculpt and I'm just gonna use it to diffuse it a little bit. I'm gonna take the same bronzer that I used and I will take a brush. I'm just gonna brush it on it and just I'm gonna take the same brush that I've used before for my crease and just dab it into my powder brush. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna use it to brush all this the side so that it diffuses what I have on my brow bone, and I'm just gonna tap it in, you know, just to set it in. This is where you go ahead to use your mascara. I'll be using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, Voluminous Lash Paradise. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go ahead and put my mascara, then do my lashes off camera. I have gone ahead to do my mascara and my eyelashes off camera. If you want to see a video of how I achieve it or do my lashes, it's literally gonna stay all day like this. If you want to see a video of how you can wear your lashes, it's gonna be very easy, so you don't have a problem, or it's not like finding it difficult to wear your lashes. I am going to upload a video right after this so that you can watch how easy it is to do. Honestly, like, it is very, very easy. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna take the brow precise, and I am just gonna go ahead and brush my brows. This step is really, really optional, but I like to do it. The next step, I will be doing my lips, and to do my lips, I'll be using the ColourPop in BFF3, and I'll be using the Shein Glam lipstick in neutral and the ColourPop lip pencil. Just to like really set your lipstick in. You don't have to, but I learned that you can actually put your setting powder on your lips. So there's really not a lot, so I'm just gonna dust on my lips. And like, it literally dries it out. Can you see it? Like, it dries it out. If you don't want to use blush, you do not have to use blush, but I just want to go in with a little bit of blush. You can use the liquid blush, but I like powder blush. I mean, I don't know why I keep saying brush. So I'll be using the Juvia's Place in Sarafina. Just a little bit. I'll take my powder brush. And I'm just tapping it in just to place it. One other thing, because I like to be extra, I'm gonna put like a little bit. I'm gonna be taking this. It's a I call it shape shifting because it literally shape shift. It literally shape shift. It looks white, but you're gonna see it. I got a surprise for you. I'm gonna take a little bit of glitter primer. So let me go wear my wig and put on something in the back. And yes, this is the final look. It takes less than 30 minutes to get this look. Quick, it is fast, and you look like you, how am I gonna say, like you put in the effort to look spicy without actually going those extra miles, and I really love it. I'm just gonna put a gloss. The gloss is called Shakara, and this is the name. See that? Atarodo. This is what it looks like. Under $20. Please don't forget to click that subscribe button below, thumbs up, and also share. Like I like to say, share. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also share my video. Share my video. Thank you very much, and once again, I would like to say a happy new year to every one of you, and this year shall be a year of abundant blessing. Before we go, let me say it again. Before we go, click that subscribe button below. Please click the subscribe button below. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers this year, even more than 1,000 subscribers. You. I know you're going to skip it. Press that subscribe button before we go. Okay? So that it motivates me to bring more video for you. Okay? Like more looks. All right?